Double Hop VPN has arrived on IPVanish, giving you an extra layer of online security and privacy. This feature routes your internet traffic through not one, but two separate VPN servers. The result? Enhanced encryption and IP anonymity that keeps your data safer than ever. Here's how it works. A standard VPN masks your IP and encrypts your data through a single server. Double Hop takes it further, encrypting and rerouting your traffic through a second server in another location. Perfect for sensitive activities like financial transactions, public Wi-Fi, or staying private in high-censorship regions. Ready to enable Double Hop? Let's get started. Open the IPVanish app on your device. Head to the location screen. Select the Double Hop option. Choose your entry and exit servers. We begin with the entry server. This server determines the first point of connection in our setup. I'll select Frankfurt, Germany as the entry server. Next, we'll choose our exit server. This server defines how we'll interact with the web and determine the IP address visible to the outside world. I'll select New York as the exit server. With this set up, I'll experience the internet as if I were in New York, and the outside world will only see my New York IP address. Toggle Double Hop on. Now we're all set. On the main screen, we can see the first and second server. The second server, here at the top, is the one the outside world will see. Double Hop works seamlessly on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and Chromebook, so you can secure your devices wherever you go.